Hello, in today's Skypress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a classified ads site. Classified ads allows visitors to post free classified ads on your site. Are you ready? Let's get started. Log into your Skypress account. Under Template, select Classified Template. You may also choose a footer color for your footer and ads color. Now click Save, then click My Site. Your classified ad site should appear. Under Search, visitors will be able to search your classified ads. Under Post, visitors will be able to post their ads. Let's create a new ad. Complete the following form. The field Your Password contains a random password your visitors can use to edit or delete their ads. Make sure you click I'm not a robot. Then click Submit Post. Your post should appear. Now let's edit your post. Make sure you re-enter your password. Edit your ad, then select Update Post. Your updated post should appear. Now let's delete your post. Enter your password and click Delete Ad. Your ad should now be deleted. Now let's remove any spam posts. You can remove spam and duplicate listings by right-clicking on the following links: Home, Search, and Post. Do this to keep your listings clean and spam-free. Now let's learn how to delete all ads. Go back to Dashboard. Under Application Settings, across from Classified Ads, change Hide to Show if you wish to add this template to your site's menu. Click Settings across from Classified Ads for Classified Ads Help section. Here you have the option to delete all ads and start your classified listings over again. That's all for this tutorial on Skypress. Thanks for watching.